welcome back to my channel. I'm Chetna Gambhir and today we are going to talk about the product Flawless Facial Hair Removal. Now everyone is using it, everyone is talking about it. There are so many products in the market of Flawless. I mean, we don't even know if that's real or fake, but we all are using it. So without further ado, let me get into the video. So guys, this product I have got it from Amazon. The link is in the description box below. I've got it for 700 rupees. Starting with the packaging, I want this video to be quick and not boring, so I'm just gonna talk real quick. The packaging is frankly not that great. Now if you want to see the packaging, I will show you. So on the box, the MRP is given $12.99, and this is what the packaging looks like. You slide this down, then you open this, then you take out the applicator. Will we call this applicator? Maybe hair removal machine. Then there is a brush to clean your machine. Then there would be a cable. I must have kept it here and there. So basically I have been using this product for about like a month, and I've used it like thrice or even 4 times now. So now I'm here to talk about this product. I don't like to talk about any product if I have not used it before. So whenever I get a product, I like to use it a couple of times and then talk about it on my channel or on my Insta. Link is here if you want to follow me. Anyways, there is also a little paper for instructions of how to clean it and how to charge it and all that blah blah blah. So yeah, let's do it. Now obviously with the packaging, I can tell you this is not a real product. Obviously with the price also, for 700 rupees you're getting a Flawless car, so it's not real. But having said that, I think it's good. How? Well, I'll just share a clip and then we'll talk. Between that clip is a close-up of me removing my hair, so if you are icky or weird about all that, you can just forward it. The timeline would be here. So anyways, let's do it. So now this is what my brows look like right now. Let me zoom it a little bit. It's all gone, it's clean. I have a few hair which were very stubborn, so either the machine was stubborn or the hair was stubborn, but it worked great. It does take more time in order to remove your hair as compared to the original machine. My sister has it, so I know it, but I think for 700 bucks it is pretty great. Now I don't understand, it's written for eyebrow, right? Most of the time ये सिर्फ eyebrow के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, but as per me, like I don't want to buy separate machines for my lips and all that. I can easily do and remove my upper lips as well, or maybe some hair over here, like you get those hairs. So if you want a clean face, I mean it will take time with the smaller this, but it will do the job. Now I could have got this one also, which is for upper lips, but वो फिर brow में करना, it would have been difficult because I want clean brow. I don't want to shave off my brow, and that's the reason I got this, because using this one product I can actually do my eyebrows, I can do my upper lips, I can even do some of this. And the next product that I would like to buy would be actually this, which is for the entire body. So yeah, I have used this. I would give it like 7 on 10, because when you buy a fake product, you don't know कि उसमें क्या है. Like makeup में, if you're buying a fake product, you don't know if the ingredients are right or not. Same for this one, yeah. It is like electronic piece which you are using on your face, and your face is really sensitive, then I would not advise you to go and buy it from Amazon or somewhere. I would rather say कि buy it from a place who sells original products. that is my opinion. It is totally up to you. If you think this works great, you can buy this as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I do use few more methods to remove my facial hair. One is this and the other one is this. So if you want me to talk about these two methods also, then do comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.